We have made it to the Bahamas. Already checked in. Heading towards a little anchorage. And this water is so clear. 10 feet you can see the bottom. This is incredible. After arriving to Freeport, I stayed the night, and the next morning I went over to a little island on the northeast side called Mangrove Key. It's about 4 hours away. And when I got there, I realized either the engine's running richer than Bill Gates, or I had a major fuel leak. Apparently I lost about 15 gallons of diesel. So I traced down the problem and brazed the line back together. By then I was down to 5 gallons, which was a little bit more than I needed to get back to Freeport check-in area, just to get to the marina, fill up my tanks, and start over again. But this time I went down the southwest side of the island. And I got to this little safe harbor area that was kind of like a little marina. And when I turned into this inlet, it looked like somebody's driveway. And the charts were showing 7 or 8 feet deep. When I pulled in there, they hadn't dredged that in so long. It was like 3 feet deep. And as soon as I hit that, I stopped. And this is the point right here. I'm a thrill seeker. Doing 5.5 knots, motor sailing. Got my body harness on. And I'm going to try hanging out the back of the boat. Just getting dragged. I should be okay. Maybe. This is a stop at the Grand Bahama Marina, which is like an all-inclusive resort. Shopping, restaurants, a marina, a pool, and did a little shopping. And they also had this nice little art mosaic on display in the center of the town. Up until this point, I was having a pretty good time. Beautiful weather, all kinds of sights and things to see. And then I went out and got caught in a gale. There was torrential rain, just soaking me, waves washing over the cockpit with salt water. It all got on my phone and just completely ruined it. So within a day or two, it was no longer taking a charge, wouldn't hold a charge. So every kind of footage I have from this point on is just what was saved on the memory card I was able to retrieve, and a little bit of GoPro footage where I went scuba diving off of Laughing Bird Key in Eleuthera. I sailed from Freeport to Moores Island, at the south tip of the Great Abacos, and then down from north to south Eleuthera, and then over to the Great Stirrup Key, and stopped in Bimini Island on the way back. Heading back to Florida. I gotta get a new phone. Mine got wet and I don't have a backup, so that's my alarm, that's my navigation, it's my communication. So gotta go back. Already checked out this morning. Met some really good people at the anchorage. They gave me some crabs. They gave me crabs. Some really big guys. Looking forward to cooking those up and getting back out. I have 90 days to get back. Free admission back into the Bahamas, and see what happens. I think one of the most disappointing parts of the trip was losing my phone, because I was unable to video and share anything that I saw. And I saw so many amazing things. It's just, I'm gonna have to go back to film it. You just can't believe it until you see it. Same with the GoPro. I could have filmed with that, and I had problems with the batteries there. So I got a little bit of everything, but a lot of nothing. So till next time.